Hi guys, so somehow we ended up on Mount Sakuraijima. It is on the opposite side of Kagoshima, and so we are here we are. So anyway, there's one thing that I'm afraid of though, that I might miss my flight, which is at 2:40 p.m. and right now it's 6:58. So I hope I don't miss it. And so right now I'll just hike on this mountain. Fun fact about this mountain, that it is a volcanic mountain. I have never been on a volcanic mountain, so this is my first volcanic mountain. So kind of excited for that. I just hope this mountain does not choose this time out of all the time to erupt. So best of luck to me. Anyway, so I came to this shrine thing. It is located on this mountain, so I thought it would be nice to get a stamp from a shrine which is so remote on a volcanic mountain. So here we are. Looks like there's no one here, so which also means I will not get my stamp, which means nothing actually. I'm still happy that I came here. I'm going to hike on this mountain. Oh, this way goes up. Let's see where it goes. Lot of ways goes up, lot of way goes up. So let's see where this goes. Do you know what these are? These are bad fortune actually. So there's a tradition in Japan where people get fortune slips from the temples, and there, if they get good fortune, they will take the fortune with them, and if they don't get a good fortune, they will tie it on the plant like this, or there's a tying place, they'll tie it over there. So that means that the bad fortune which they had has left them in the temple, and now they are without a bad fortune. I got a good fortune, so I kept it as a souvenir, and I think I'll just put praising on it and may make a pendant or locket of it. I don't know. I'll make a locket of it. So that is that.